What's good, everybody? On today's video, we're going to take a look at the Texas Hold'em Clay Poker Chip Set with an aluminum case. Stay tuned for the whole video. There's some nice accents all around the edges. They do come in different colors. You can get this in the black accent as well. On this side, you have your feet, right? So they're not going to scratch your surface when you slide around. The key and the locking mechanism is right here. And the case swings open, and of course, it stays open. Now, there is a soft foam in here, and then this is the contents. So you do get 500 chips. The colors are different. You got your greens, red, blacks, blues, and whites. You also get 3 chips, one for the dealer, small blind, and the big blind. Now, the chips are pretty nice and thick, and they have a nice weight to them. You also get 2 decks of playing cards, just classics with 1 joker. You get 5 die as well. You get 5 dice, like I said. And you have a nice case for storing all this stuff. Also, let's not forget, you get 2 keys to lock your belongings. So this is, of course, everything you need to host a poker or a Texas Hold'em game right from your house. And the great thing is, like I said, it's portable, so you can take it on the go and take it to anybody's house. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.